Every great factory story begins in the soil.
Machines lift thousands of potatoes from the earth in minutes.
Even in automation, human eyes ensure quality.
Harvest moves fast, filling trailers within seconds.
From field to factory, the journey begins.
Thousands of kilograms head toward industrial transformation.
The factory waits beyond the horizon. Scale defines modern food production. Every load is logged, inspected, and traced.
Precision continues beyond the farm.
Raw harvest meets industrial precision.
The transformation starts now. Inside the facility, movement never stops.
The first layer of earth is stripped away.
Water begins the cleansing process. Water begins the cleansing process. Every surface is prepared for inspection.
Technology now takes control. Precision separates quality from waste.
Volume is measured in tons, not kilos.
Consistency drives industrial rhythm.
Deep cleaning prepares them for transformation. Surface purity is non-negotiable.
Moisture is controlled before cutting begins. The next stage will redefine their form. In seconds, shape gives way to precision.
Uniformity defines industrial perfection. Excess starch is washed away for the perfect crisp.
Control over moisture ensures consistency.
Human precision supports machine speed.
Heat now transforms texture forever. Seconds in oil create the signature crunch.
Excess oil drains as texture stabilizes.
Cooling prepares them for flavor. Flavor is measured with industrial precision.
Each chip receives its exact coating.
From harvest to flavor, transformation is underway.
Even after frying, inspection never stops.
Precision protects the brand in milliseconds. Flow is balanced for uninterrupted production. Safety standards guard every batch. Consistency is measured in grams. Bulk becomes portioned precision.
Speed and balance operate together.
Mathematics drives every single pack.
Brand identity meets mechanical accuracy.
Every bag receives its perfect portion.
Sealed for freshness in seconds.
From raw harvest to finished pack, the line never breaks. Temperature control protects texture and taste.
Stability ensures shelf-ready quality.
The product leaves heat behind.
Precision continues beyond packaging.
Every gram is verified twice.
Freshness depends on flawless sealing.
Traceability is built into every pack. Individual packs become retail units. Retail units.
Automation prepares the outer shell. Speed and care operate together.
Outer protection locks in quality.
The scale of production becomes visible. Air rub never clean.
Automation now handles the final mass. Precision lifting replaces manual strain.
Each layer is built with millimeter accuracy.
Stability is engineered into every stack.
Volume rises. Precision remains constant.
Finished cases prepare for shipment security. Stability is sealed in transparent layers. Every shipment must survive the road ahead.
Protection is finalized in seconds.
Traceability continues at every scale.
Data travels with every shipment.
Transcription. Production meets logistics in seamless flow. Logistics now takes control of the flow. Every pallet has a precise destination.
Vertical space maximizes storage efficiency. Automation extends beyond machinery.
Data drives distribution decisions.
Demand triggers movement instantly.
Stored product returns to motion. Automation resumes the journey. Final checks secure the shipment.
Transport prepares for departure.
Efficiency continues beyond factory walls.
The final stage of the journey begins.
Orgmelkum dat करके की मेकम साथ के सीसर फन बमट्रीट अट को 2 सलबेंजुल है और की सिगरिंग हो है देखिए
Final protection begins around each pallet.
Every pallet is secured for the journey ahead. Traceability ensures every pallet is accounted for. Organized staging sets the stage for final dispatch.
Every pallet begins its journey to the market.
The factory stands as a testament to industrial precision.
And this is how modern factories produce potato chips from start to finish.